Following pack stage completion, the ship document becomes available in Odoo's Inventory module. Switch to the Warehouse 15 app and navigate to the ship operation. Select your ship document. The app will prompt you to scan either a package barcode for packages or item barcode for bulk items. First, let's scan a package. The system automatically verifies package contents. Next, let's scan 2 more packages and then 2 bulk items. After scanning all items, submit the ship document to Odoo. The app will prompt to print the contact label. Agree. As you can see, the document now is done in Odoo.